Welcome to Not So Creative. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sew a beautiful headband with a sailor knot. It's a quick and easy project that is perfect for beginners and a great way to use up fabric scraps. This headband is both stylish and practical, perfect for keeping your hair in place or as a thoughtful handmade gift. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 2 strips of fabric measuring 12.5 by 50 centimeters each, 1 strip of fabric measuring 5 by 30 centimeters, an elastic about 10 centimeters long, 2 centimeters wide. For fabrics, I recommend lightweight options like silk or viscose. This feels great on your hair and are super comfortable to wear. For this video, I am using lightweight cotton with a texture resembling linen fabric. However, if you're new to sewing or prefer easier handling, medium weight fabrics like quilt cotton are also a great choice. They're beginner friendly and often come in cute prints. Take your 3 fabric strips and fold them in half, lengthwise, with the right sides together. Now, sew along the long edges of all 3 fabric strips using a 1 cm seam allowance, leaving the short edges open. Once done, turn the strips right side out. You can use a loop turner, a safety pin, or even a chopstick for this step. After turning, press the strips flat with an iron for a neat and polished finish. Take the shorter fabric strip and insert one end of the elastic into it. Pin it in place and pull the other end of the elastic to the opposite side. Pin both ends securely and sew them in place with a 0.5 cm seam allowance. Take one of the longer fabric strips and lay it flat. Create a loop by placing one end of the strip over the other. Now, take the second fabric strip and place it on top of the first strip ends. Pass the lower end of the second strip under and through the loop. Then, take the upper end of the second strip, pass it under the top end of the first strip and over the loop. Take the end that is going through the loop and place it over and insert it again through the loop. Gently pull all the ends to tighten the knot, keeping the length even. Adjust the knot until you're happy with how it looks. Lay the ends of the knotted fabric flat, overlapping them. Insert one end of the elastic casing on top of the overlapped fabric, centering it. Fold the ends of the fabric over the elastic casing until it's fully enclosed. Pin in place. Repeat on both sides, ensuring you maintain the same overlap order as before. For example, if the lower end on the right side was placed underneath, do the same on the left side. Sew the ends with a 1 cm seam allowance. backstitch several times to secure everything in place. Trim the edges. I like using pinking shears to reduce bulk and prevent fraying. Once both sides are sewn, gently pull the elastic to ensure everything is smooth and secure. And that's it! Your decorative knot headband is ready to wear. This headband is such a fun and quick project, why not experiment it with different fabrics or even try out other types of knots? If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of fabric you used. I'll see you in the next video.